Hi everyone and welcome to the PrinterBot channel. My name is Clovis and I love to print stuff. And today on the PrinterBot channel, I'm going to show you guys how I cut and installed my very own indoor vinyl decal. I mean, look at this. It's awesome. Stay tuned. Oh, hi. Welcome to my workshop. This is where I do all my various printing projects and where I create my great content that I share with you. So how about I show you guys around? At the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, I had a lot of free time on my hands, so I took the opportunity to start doing some renovations. I was so excited to have this beautiful space to do all my printing projects. Yeah, I may have started my renovations with good intentions, but the truth is, I really did not know what I wanted to do in this room. And the renovations were put on hold for quite some time. So what did I do during those times? Well, I guess you could call that doing research. Well, as time went by, I started to figure out what I wanted to do with the space, and I continued my renovations. And I have to say that I'm very happy to have a great space to do my t-shirts and to create wonderful content. So I finally felt it was time I start decorating this place. And I chose that I would love to have that big vinyl decal printed on my wall. And since I'm a big fan of fighting games, I decided that I would stay in that theme. This is the graphic that I decided to use. The vinyl decal is about 3 feet wide and 4 feet long. So here I'm dividing my design into 3 parts. My vinyl is only 12 inches wide, so I'm gonna have to cut each panel one at a time. For this project, I'll be using a temporary indoor vinyl material. This material is safe to be used in indoor walls, and you can peel it off without damaging any parts of your drywall or paint. For this project, I'm going to need a vinyl feeder such as this one. And I will also be using my Cameo 3. Are you ready for another cutting montage? I load the vinyl into the cutter and let the cutting begin. Now it's time to weed out the excess vinyl material. I cover my designs with transfer tape and using a squeegee to ensure that it's all properly glued and sticky. And now it's time to install the vinyl decal. I decided to install the middle panel first by peeling off the transfer tape and using my squeegee to ensure that the design sticks to the wall. I align the next panel and continue to glue it to the wall. Next, I fill in some empty spaces with the red material. And there you have it, a nice indoor vinyl decal, perfect to decorate your wall. I have to say that this is probably the most challenging project I've ever done with vinyl so far. And I learned a lot of new skills. I got to work with new material, even though it's not perfect. But I think it's really cool that I get to look at this every day that I come into my workshop. I would like to thank you for watching this episode, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you'll be notified when new episodes do arise. And if you would like to show your support to the channel, you can pick up your very own Block This t-shirt, which has been featured on this episode. by clicking on the link below to go directly to our online store where you can select our various t-shirts and check out the Block This t-shirt to add to your gaming wardrobe or to give it as a perfect gift. And remember, if I can figure this out, so can you. So get out there and print something. And in the meantime, show me what you've been making. I'd love to see what you've been coming up with. So until then, I'll see you next time.